Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening TCast and signing in so your account is active. Next, grant microphone, camera, and local network permissions. Without them, streaming won't work. Once done, connect the source device and the casting target to the same Wi-Fi or enable USB tethering for a direct link. Make sure codecs are supported on both ends so you don't hit format errors. Now open the TCast source panel and select the content you want to share. You're ready for the next steps. You now configure the stream. Pick resolution, bitrate, and frame rate that match both network capacity and the receiver's capability. Then choose the audio input and enable noise suppression so voice stays clear. Set a small audio sync offset if lip sync drifts. Next, preview the stream on the target device and test playback for 10-20 seconds. If you see stutter, lower bitrate or change the latency mode to balanced. Make adjustments iteratively until video and audio are. You can now start casting or recording, monitor CPU, network throughput, and dropped frame indicators to ensure stability. While live, label your stream and set privacy preferences so viewers get the right access. Make sure you have a local recording enabled if you need a backup copy. If problems occur, try restarting TCast first, then switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or lower bitrate to relieve network strain. Finally, recheck permissions and codecs. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.